This is lesson number 8, and in this lesson we're going to add the droplets to the bottle. I'm going to bring in the first image, which is this leaf with the raindrops on it. I'm going to grab it to our image and scale it down. I'm going to hide it by creating a black layer mask. First, let me put it inside the bottle group and group it to itself. Then name it Droplets. Now I can hold Shift and click on the layer mask to temporarily show it. Then using a white brush, I'll start revealing only the droplets. I use this method because it's easier than cutting each individual droplet. Feel free to use the quick selection or the lasso tool if you are more comfortable with. Okay, now I can show the mask back and we got only the droplets. The color is not matching for the moment, so we're gonna fix that now. First, I'm gonna change the blending mode to luminosity, then go to Image Adjustment Curves, and bring the shadows point up. And that will get rid of the harsh shadows. Next, I'm gonna bring the second image, then copy only this part using the lasso tool. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Then I'll scale it down and do the same thing for this one as well. Change the blending mode to luminosity, then create a black layer mask, disable it and start revealing the droplets. Then finally reduce the shadows with curves. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm gonna bring in the last image, which is this raindrop. I'm gonna use the quick selection tool to extract it. Then with the lasso tool, I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. I'm gonna place it here at the edge. Then go to Curves, Reduce Shadows. Reduce the blues. Add some green and some red. I'm gonna add even more lights because it's still dark. You can try different blending modes by cycling through them with the scroll wheel. I think color burn looks good. I'm gonna make a copy and drag it to this side and flip it horizontally. I think these side droplets still needs color correction, so I'm gonna go to Image, Adjustment, Color Balance this time and add more yellows and reds. Then I'll do the same thing for the other one. Okay, so now with the droplets in place, I will stop this lesson here and I will see you in the next one where we will start adding the orange slices.